Today I'm going to teach you how to make background transparent in Figma. This is a really useful skill when you're preparing designs for export, or when you want to layer elements without a solid background blocking your view. First things first, open your Figma application. Once you've launched it, you'll need to navigate to the project where you want to make the background transparent. This could be any design file you're currently working on, whether it's a logo, an interface mockup, or any other creative project that requires a transparent background. Now take a look at the left side of your screen. Here you'll see various layers and elements in your design. Click on Frame. This is important because you need to select the specific frame whose background you want to make transparent. Frames in Figma act as containers for your design elements, and they each have their own properties, including background fill. Once you've selected the frame, shift your attention to the right side of your screen. This is where all the properties and settings for your selected element appear. Look for the section labeled Fill. This controls the background color and transparency of your frame. You'll notice there's a color preview displayed under the Fill label. Now you have two options to achieve transparency. The first method is to click on that color preview under Fill. This will open up a color picker with various controls. Among these controls, you'll find an opacity slider. Simply adjust this slider all the way down to 0. By doing this, you're essentially making the background completely see-through without removing the fill property itself. Alternatively, there's an even quicker method. Look closely at the fill section and you'll see a minus icon positioned right beside it. If you click this minus icon, it will instantly remove the fill entirely, which automatically makes the background transparent. This is the fastest way to achieve the result if you're certain you don't need any background color at all. Both methods will give you the same transparent background result, so you can choose whichever feels more intuitive to your workflow. The opacity method is useful if you think you might want to bring back some background later, while the minus icon approach is cleaner if you're sure you want no background. And that's it. Your frame now has a transparent background, making it perfect for exporting as a PNG with transparency or layering over other design elements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.